We doing? How we doing? How we doing? Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's go over the trade. Let's go over the trade. Oh, we lagging. We lagging pretty good. It's okay though. We okay though. We okay. We quiero go. No quiero go. Si no quiero go. Si no quiero go. Oh my lord, the lag. Dude, the lag is bad right now. I think it's because I joined from Zoom on the internet. Also, there's a snowstorm in Rhode Island right now, so it's not like holy lag, holy lag. TP, TP, motherfucker. Yeah, we hit TP. It was a really good trade. I'm really happy for this week. I hope that like we have some good trades this week. It looks like price action is going to be doing good. I think we're going to be super bearish this week. We had a lot of consolidation last week, and as if you know anything, consolidation leads to distribution. Or it leads to a distribution. When the market is moving stagnant, that means it's building towards something. And I think that because of today, we're going to be moving bearish, unless this is just a retrace, and then we're going to be moving bullish. Anyway, whatever happens this week, it's going to be big moves every single day like this. But let's get into it. Let's get into what the confluences were as to why I took this trade. First off, up here we have New York AM session got tapped into, as well as these London highs got taken. So that was my confirmation of a liquidity sweep as we started coming down, broke structure. That was my first confirmation, but I didn't go off. I didn't go into the trade just off the break of structure. We had to wait for this 5 minute fair value gap to get broken. And man, was it chopping around. It was chopping hard around. And it came down, I think. Let's go into the 5 minute here. Yeah, like here we had a closure below. I don't think I entered off of this though, if I'm correct. Oh, I did. Okay. Okay. Yeah, no, I remember I was shitting bricks when this candle came up all the way up here. But it's okay because we came down, ended up hitting break even. I was here and I was kind of stressed out. I was like, damn, we might go low because you'll see, or we might. I was like, when we were like, when we were around here, I was like, dang, bro. Like right around here, it was like chopping up. It wasn't really closing below these wicks. I was like, dang, bro. We might start to get some bullish movement here. But then this beautiful candle came out and boom, immediately went down and within like 5 seconds. Went all the way down here. And then I was like, it hit my break even level immediately, felt real good about that. And then we came down and exited here. That was dumb. That was really, really dumb. I should have waited. I mean, I had a take. I know my take profit was here, but I had a take profit all the way down here at these New York lows. I would have made $250 off of one unit. Um, but the reason I did that, y'all are gonna get mad at me. I hopped back on the stream. I know. I hopped back on the stream and PB Blake was putting in a long position. What? Because he saw the sweep of these New York lows. That's also what made me exit a little bit early. Um, so like played it really safe, made about $120 today on a $10,000 account, which isn't very good to be honest. But it's okay because um I unfollowed PB Blake. I blocked him. I'm not getting on that stream ever again. If I'm hopping on a stream, it's gonna be TJR stream because his model's a lot more like mine. Like I go off inverse fair value gaps. I love inverse fair value gaps, but I go off of liquidity sweep, break of structure, inverse fair value gaps. That has a very high win rate for me. Um, I like to go off equilibrium as well. Like it's not something that I'm typically always waiting for. And then if there's an order block, ooh, order blocks are nice because I can set my entry way tighter. Um, if it's off an order block. But yeah, bro, that's really freaking it. What I would say to do better next time is exactly what I did. Unfollow PB Plate. Get the fuck off that fucking stream, man. Oh man. I just need to get off that fucking stream. Do better next time. Hold that position. I really, I think that I only did 2 units today, and I think that was a smart idea because I would have been literally risking $400, which is half of my profits over this month. It's like not a good idea to do that. So that was good. But like once we're on the 50K Alpha Futures account, I'm definitely going to be putting 3 to 5 units at least. And that's going to really help me be able to put multiple take profits, multiple and stop loss. Um, yeah, I'm going to keep this short. I got a lot of work to do and I need to get it done quickly. Yeah. So we're gonna end this here, guys. Freaking, I'm real excited for this week. I think that this week is gonna be up. What is going on with my fucking app? Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! We're good. We're good. We're good. Yeah, I'm really excited for this week. I think we're gonna have some good price action this week. I think we had a lot of accumulation last week. And that was leading to this week, which will be very bearish. I'm calling bearish. I'm calling a bearish week for sure. Um, yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. I'm so lucky right now, dude. It's a snow day. Probably gonna be snowed in tomorrow. Probably not gonna have classes tomorrow. I'm real hyped. I'm hyped for this week, dude, because it's the last week. It's the last week of paper trading, and we're gonna get the Alpha Futures account with my next paycheck from work, dude. Oh man, it's all coming together. It's all coming together. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Anyway, peace out, guys. Peace the freaking freak out, guys. Yes, I see you. See you later, guys.